taking Nutella to the doctor.
What happened to Nutella?
The back.
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so we are back to the mall again. And we're gonna go fix the Nutella.
Dark Nutella.
Because it opened up this morning actually, it opened up. So we're gonna come and fix it. And we're heading back to the bear shop. Is it called bear shop?
No. It called
workshop.
Bear workshop.
Bear workshop. So we're heading back there, and I'm with my mom and with Olivia and Emilia sleeping. So we are heading there.
So stuffing. So we are here. Also,
Hi guys, welcome back. Just a small bit.
How does that seem pretty?
Okay, now we're ready.
No sounds today.
No sounds, just
We do have cents and they're only $3.50. No? Okay. Go ahead and step on those, sweetheart. Smell, it's really cool. So if you come back at any time during the month, you guys can get that bear for $7 if you're part of our bonus club, which is completely free, and you get like all these like discounts and like emails. It's really cool. Okay, you got a heart already? Okay, we're gonna start by warming it up so it's never cold during the winter. We're gonna shake it in the air for good luck. We're gonna put it on our nose, close your eyes, make a wish. Give it a kiss, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on in the sky. Yeah, you gotta rub it on your belly so it's full of milk and cookies. Rub it on your head so it has all your Christmas wishes.
She's got a bear that's a little floppy.
Okay, we're just going to sew her on up. How are you going to know the difference?
I can name this one a
Yeah. Welcome in, guys.
Is that perfect?
continue. Is it your first purchase?
No.
Okay, press now. Your first name? is your
What you did?
November 26th, 2011. Your girl or boy? Next. This is a gift. Receive under your name. Write down your name. Too many O's. So it's a certificate for what happened?
Look what happened here.
Pearl light brown.
That's not my name.
Okay. Back then. Let's change it to yes. Let's see. There you go. That's the same as the other one. It says certificate. The date of birth is 25. His name is Misty. Weight 13 inches, 12 ounces, pink, light brown. Belongs to Olivia. Stuff it by love by Olivia. You're done.
These on her.
Oh, you, Grandma said yes?
She wanted. I didn't know. She just got it late anyways.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, you have so many. Okay.
Cochinadas que son. Eso así. Mira. No.
Oh my human, so many of them. What are you gonna do with so many?
This is my next second one. This one is the first one. This is the second one.
Oh wow. Okay guys, so we are gonna eat lunch at El Torito today.
Que nomás salió el pedacito.
I remember I went here a long time ago.
Long time ago?
Yeah.
Yes.
I showed Nutella around last time.
Yes.
Mira. Chupotas.
Oh, you saw that, Mom?
Cuidado, mamá.
Está la enchilada y ahorita le traigo unos platitos, ¿ok?
Sí, gracias. Qué rico. Está caliente.
Saludarte, venimos todos con gusto y placer a felicitarte. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, Panchita. Happy birthday to you.
Bravo.
Oh my God.
Así quería agarrarme. A ver, déjate tomar una foto. Mami. Ay, preciosa, mi chiquita.
We are now at Walmart. This is a different Walmart. We've never been here, so
Yes, we did. We'll pass it later.
we haven't been here. So we'll see how it goes in here.
You passed it days ago.
We haven't been here.
In my dreams.
Okay, whatever, girl. Okay, so we're gonna go buy. my god, that is a huge, huge monkey. Where are you gonna put him at?
In the bed proof.
He doesn't even fit on your bed. He's super big. Okay, come on. Okay guys, so we are home finally. It's been a long day. We've been up and down the whole entire afternoon. So we're finally home. We're gonna end up having dinner. And so let's start with dinner, guys.
Okay. Have you go in the bathroom now? We are doing turns, remember? Okay. I'm turning around. I'm going in the front. We're ready putting in the caboose. Let me go a little bit further. Okay. A train, guys. I whispered it. Now we have the top one. Okay, we are all done now. All we just need to do, wash our mouth.